All right, hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Success Pro is my name, and I own the Success Did It YouTube channel. I actually changed the name from Successful Electronics over to Success Did It because of some kind of reasons, and you can get that full video and where I explain it down below on my channel. Anyways, the reason why I'm actually making this video is to tell you that there's a new video in town which I'm actually working on, so don't be in a rush. I know I actually said I'm going to post in video 2 to 3 days after, like I'm going to post in videos regularly, like 2 to 3 days after my recent upload, but it's over 7 days now and still not post a video. I got quite a little bit busy, so working on a new video, so you guys just stay tuned to that. I really appreciate you for subscribing to my channel and sticking out everything. If you want to get the updates and the secrets on the topic which I'm actually talking about or I'm actually making on my recent next video, you should go join my Patreon. Link in the description to join my Patreon and get 90% off on your first month of subscription. The subscription promo discount is supposed to end 30th of April, which was yesterday, but today is May 1st. I'm giving the discount today. Today will be the last day, so you can join and get your 90% off on your first month of joining. And also you can join for free, chat. You can join for free if you don't want to pay or stuff like that. You can join for free and get exclusive update. Anyways, there's a new video in town, so you guys stay to it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.